What we doing today, Ben?
Putting in some strut bars on the S13. You feel me? Front and rear, front 3-point, rear 4-point. You dig? Don't. Ultra racing, rear 4-point. That's me going back here, obviously. Then we got the street traction, front 3-point, and get the little finish on there. You know, we got the sparkle.
Ooh, yeah, you can see that on the camera.
Diamonds dancing. Okay. Alright, we're gonna get the trim removal tool. Also, a fun life hack: if you're ever taking off the radio antenna on the S13, the trim removal tools do a great job. Oh, look, we got it though.
Hey.
Oh yeah, you feel me?
Ooh.
We're gonna expose this. Expose him.
How you gonna get it to fit?
Shit, I don't know. We gonna find out.
Damn, you got BCs on here?
Shit, maybe. Come on, there we go. First one exposed. I actually have no idea how this is gonna fit. Cause like nobody just had like, okay, people do have that out, but I'm not finna take off these panels just to put in the strut bar.
Just cut the fucking panel, boy.
Alright, now let's get this other side. Tell it Jake, you have the fucking shit in the way. Damn, you ain't gonna flame me. Oh yes.
Oh, that was easy.
This is the harder part. Got these rubber johns. So they're 4 points, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna have two. You're gonna have it connect here, here, and then if you look over here, there's a little Velcro part that bolts up right here, and it's got a factory bolt there. And then the other one's on this side, smaller, but goes right there.
Damn.
So
It's easy
Nissan,
except for that.
people in Nissan are cool because you know they got all this shit figured out.
You gotta unwrap it, boy.
Yeah, I know. I want to do the unboxing, you know, for the channel.
Yeah, keep it authentic, you know.
Yeah, you feel me?
Bro.
Yeah, this is how it came. Like, it didn't come in a box or anything. Like, the other one came in a box. This one just came to the door like this. How the fuck do you just... I feel bad for whoever had to wrap this for this long. Because this would not... It probably took them longer to wrap this than it did to actually, like
weld it up and shit. It's like 8 layers, bro. And then there's like cardboard.
Yeah, they've got plastic wrap over cardboard. Yeah.
Damn. This one got the same finish? Or is it just like black?
No, this one's white.
Ooh.
This one would be pretty spunky.
It matched the car.
Exactly. It's like the front one you're not really going to see. The front
yeah,
one
but the front's snazzy, bro.
They gotta have some instructions on just how to fucking... Oh my gosh, and there's bubble wrap under. Sheesh. This thing is not getting damaged in transit.
Yeah, I don't know what they thought would happen. It'd like blow up.
I don't know.
We've been working for like 10-20 minutes and this is as far as we've gotten. But there it is. Nice. Keep grinding. Update. We're almost done. Still have the bottom to do, but
Been on this shit for a minute.
yeah. Stopped recording because it takes so long. Alright, I guess we'll finish and then
Let y'all know.
That boy Rex just pulled up, but all the way over there.
Rose and Lenny. You got Lenny.
Yeah. We're almost done. We have one corner left.
And some more plastic.
Oh. Oh, there they are.
Alive.
It's free.
You feel me? We got the big ass chain.
Got the plaque, you know.
Yeah, you know.
The boys are here.
Dexter. Now he's gonna put this.
Yeah, now let's go actually do what the video's about. Let's go. What if it doesn't fit, bro?
I'm just gonna fucking give it to the next person that drives by.
Alright, put that shit in.
Alright. Check this install.
Bird. Oh.
You should do that thing where you just put it in there like that.
Alright, it's
and
in.
then, like, cut it out.
Yeah, it's in now. Installed.
Alright, we're done. We're not doing the front.
How are you gonna like squeeze that bitch into there?
Well, I'm assuming I'm just, you know, it'll happen. It'll happen. Hey, who needs a dime bag though?
No. Bro, this is basically an S13 because he got S13 seats.
Pretty much.
And he's got no shit boot. Chill.
A sticker? What? Wait a minute. Me too. Hashtag me too.
Shit. Don't expose me.
Grow a mustache. Really?
I think you should grow a mustache.
I think I should grow a mustache.
My mom was flaming him this morning.
Damn!
He called me, he was like, I'm on my way. He was like, you sound like the Terminator, bro.
Well, how the fuck am I gonna tighten these down?
Hello.
Chill.
Fucking
Yeah. Shit, we uploading this one to porno, bro. Hurry up, bro.
These bolts don't loosen themselves.
Bro, this tempting.
Bro, yeah, you too tempted right now, bro.
Oh, he was peeping.
Damn.
I'm just trying to install my car parts in peace.
You broke his neck, bro.
As you see, we got the first couple bolts out.
Oh yeah, click.
I'm looking at this stance, bro. Look at this.
Damn, he's tempted. Oh, let's get that.
Need a fisheye for this shit.
Damn, are you working?
Got the iPhone 11 Plus.
Shit, this is gonna be the thumbnail right here. Shit. You crazy. Bro, you've been twisting for minutes, bro.
What you mean?
Bro, there's rusty. There's rust in this hatch, bro. Ooh, what is this bug wire? Damn. Shit, okay. No SR. He's too broke. Look at him. We getting started on the front. Huh?
Yeah.
We ain't give up yet.
Not on the front.
Let's hope this one works. Shit, we got the surprise clip of the Celica engine. Someone want to open it?
Nope. I kept hitting it.
Yeah, we got the. Ooh, we got the. Ooh, we got the turbo. Got the TRD. Okay, it's hella rusted, bro.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay. So who do you think is faster, this or your car, bro?
Well, you know, I think I'm making like at least like 430 to the wheel with the intake and the exhaust.
Yeah, you
Oh,
just
yeah.
put it down.
You know, I think I have this thing. Plus, it's rear-wheel drive, so you know, if we're going from a roll, I definitely will have this.
Yeah.
And this is like 400 wheel.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Alright, then go then.
What?
Then go then. No.
Make it say y'all were all over the place. Okay, she first place on the game.
at this park job.
Hell, bro, this is the only time I have not parked on the
Yeah,
line like
okay,
ever.
okay.
It's an handprint.
Hey, you see we got the key fob?
Oh, yeah. Beep, beep. You got the Turbo Civic
Yeah.
down there, bro.
The baby
You
turbo.
can't hear your keys right there.
Damn, that's fact. Oh. There, you got the intercooler. Okay. You fast.
Wait.
Shit, bro, we in the... Bro, we in the... Bro, what's good? What's up, bro? On the vlog, bro. Shit, okay. Oh. We down. Damn, boy.
Bro, it's only 40 bucks. Let's go buy one.
Okay, I think that's the end of this video, bro. What y'all want to say?
Right now we out here, we posted up in these fucking parking spots. Yeah.
We didn't install nothing today, bro.
Man stole my boy some swag. We on the top now, bro. I wasn't dripping at all. Now, we out here at the top, bro. I got the Sagna jeans. Feel me? Posted up on the 40. We ain't sipping 40s though.
Strut bar when you got this.
What? Bro, we about to walk in Neiman's. Drop some bands. Gonna drop some bands, Neiman's, bro. Some like, hold up. You see these honeys? Hold up, bro.
Hey, which one you want? You want the
Bro,
Bro, you feel me?
alright,
Stacking bands.
that's it, bro. That's a wrap. We out.
green one?
Peace out, bro.
The yellow. Oh,